Best 5 websites to get free anime clips for editing without copyrights. You can download as many anime clips as you want for editing, completely free, on your mobile phone or computer. These clips can be used for your videos on YouTube, Instagram, and other platforms without any copyright issues. So, let's get started. Rotate your mobile phone for a better experience if you're watching this video on it. I'm recording this video on my phone, but you can follow the same process on a computer. The first website is animeclips.online. Open your browser and search for animeclips.online/clips. Here, you'll find hundreds of free anime clips available in MP4 format with 4K quality. All clips are completely free and no credit is required. You can search for specific characters or episodes. Click on the character you want, and you'll see a variety of clips. To download a clip, if you're using a mobile phone, tap and hold the clip. On a computer, right-click on it. You'll see options like Download or Preview. Choose Download to save the clip, or Preview to watch it first. You can also download all the clips on a page at once. Keep in mind that 4K quality clips take up more data. You can go back and search for more characters to find additional clips. The second website is animeclipsraw.fr. This is another excellent source for free anime clips. You can search for characters or pick from the available list. The site has multiple pages, and you can navigate to the next page for more clips. To download a clip, select the clip you want, and you'll be given a mega link button. Click on it. You'll be redirected to the mega website, where you can preview or download the clip. Before we move to the third website, please like this video if it has been helpful so far, and subscribe for more useful information. The third website is animeworldtwixtor.com. This site is similar to the second one, but offers a different collection of characters. It also has multiple pages. Scroll down to navigate to the next page. To download a clip, click on the character you want. You'll be provided with a Google Drive link. Then, click on the link to download the clip to your device. The same process applies if you're using a computer. The fourth website is Ringwitda Twixtor.com. Type the name into your browser, and you'll access the site. This site offers more free and safe anime clips for editing. Choose a character, and you'll receive a Google Drive link to download your clip. Another great source for anime clips is YouTube, but you need to be cautious. Steps to download safe clips. First, search for the character, action, or episode you want, and tap on the three dots in the upper right corner to filter your search. Select Creative Commons to find clips you can reuse without copyright issues. Scroll down, and you'll find many videos with free clips. Download and include them in your projects confidently. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it helps you. Please don't forget to subscribe for more useful content.